Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rope into your piece using a square knot. So you would use this technique if you're wanting to create like a kind of triangle effect. So you'll see here, I already have two pieces of rope and I've used them to make one square knot on top here. To add rope in, I'm going to go ahead and take these four pieces, split them into two. I'm going to take my right two here and take my new piece of rope that I'm adding in, and I'm going to cross it back behind my right two. And just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put these two out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to cross it back behind my right two. Then I'm going to create a square knot as normal. So I'm going to take my left piece, I'll cross it in front of my middle two and behind my right piece. So it makes like a number 4 here. And then I'm going to take my right piece, cross it behind my middle two, and then pull it in front of my left piece. And then I'll tighten it. And then I'll just go ahead and do the same thing, but starting from the right side. So right, in front of the middle two, behind the left, left, behind the middle two, and in front of the right, tighten, and you'll see I have a square knot here now. So I can go ahead and take this and push this up, and then if I want to add another piece on the other side, I can go ahead and do that. So now I've got my left two, and back behind my left, cross in front, then behind, right, behind, and then in front, and so forth from the right side. And then I'll push this up as well. When you're making rows, like if you're making a triangle shape, you don't want to push it necessarily all the way right up to it, because then it will kind of like turn in on you. And if you want straight flat rows, you can actually leave it down just a little bit. And remember, you'll push these out to the side because the point is that you're wanting this to get a little bit wider on the sides. And then I could continue to do that. So like if I was going to do my next row, I would do a square knot in the middle. And then I could attach two more pieces using my two on the end here and here. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.